Headlights. Plastic headlights, the bane of the modern world. I want to talk to you about how I managed to permanently restore my headlights. This is not a how-to, unfortunately, it's just an overview of the final result 6 months after it has been repaired permanently. Not air quotes permanently, I mean permanently. What happened with these ones started out in being a particularly bad state. They were, the Passats are renowned for their absolutely opaque, yellowy, cataracty headlights, and this was no different. I bought the car, they'd been polished, it was obvious, and I decided that I wasn't happy with them as they were getting yellower and yellower week after week after week. So I used what little bit of bodywork knowledge that I have. I'm not a complete novice to it, and it was just something rattling around in the back of my mind. Why can't you just use body products? So what I did was I removed the headlights as an experiment. They were that bad now, they were just a write-off to begin with, so I removed them. I gave them to my long-suffering local body shop, and I asked them to simply rub them down, maybe 400 wet or something of that nature, and don't put a polish near it. Just simply rub them down with wet 400, apply an adhesion promoter, and then use 2-pack body clear coat. And that is exactly what happened. It was the first time that he'd ever heard of it. It was the first time that I'd ever heard of it, but it was just something rattling around in the back of my mind that it should work. But look, that was over the winter. That was 6 months ago. I want to show you. We will go extreme close up now, and I will show you the result. This is 6 months later. You can still see the shine is amazing. I have done nothing other than just wash it, just using normal shampoos, the usual washing methods. Nothing has been done to maintain these apart from just giving them a rub of a sponge. When you come up on top, you actually see a little yellowing and a little crazing that has been there throughout. And the day I got them back, they were still slightly yellow because that's the way they were after polishing. The material is completely damaged through on the top in the usual spot, in the usual place. But lo and behold, it is now perfectly sealed. It is now permanently restored. It is done forever. I spent a little bit of money. I think it cost me 80 euros to have the body shop do this for me. But that's it. Permanently sealed. I hope that's of use to you. I recommend taking the plunge and doing it yourself. And best of luck with it. I know I'll be doing it this way in future. In fact, I'll be doing a little bit of painting myself. I have a compressor and a spray gun now. I will be doing this myself to all my own cars forevermore. I will never be getting them polished again. Hope that's of use to you. Take care.